She is 50-year-old woman, looks 20 with this anti-aging face mask. Remove wrinkles and fine lines with this simple steps. The first ingredient that you need, a simple ingredient you always have in your kitchen. You only need 2 to 3 teaspoons of rice flour. Rice flour has been used as cosmetic healing agent for centuries. Slice a lemon and add 1 teaspoon of juice. The acidity of lemon helps skin look brighter while reducing the appearance of wrinkles. You can massage the juice into fine lines and wrinkles on your face. Lemon is very useful for oily skin and cures acne or pimples. Now add 3 to 4 teaspoons of normal water to make the paste a creamy consistency. And it is quite common in Japanese beauty recipes. It is rich in B vitamins, which stimulates the growth of cell regeneration and filling. To keep the skin in perfect condition and slows down the premature skin aging, use this face scrub. Being rich in powerful antioxidants like vitamin C, citric acid, and flavonoids, lime provides good benefits to your skin. Rice powder has been used for centuries as a natural beauty aid by Asian women. Its natural anti-aging and oil-absorbing properties makes them good for oily or acne-prone and dull mature skin. It's also a good anti-inflammatory and skin whitening agent that soothes sunburned skin and makes skin smooth and fairer. If you need to know how to make natural scrub at home for glowing face, then this is going to be one of your best beauty uses of rice powder, that it can be used as oil-absorbing natural face powder. It blends easily with the skin and cover pores. This exfoliating body scrub works wonderfully on your skin. It exfoliates, purifies and remineralizes your skin. We love dates, known as date palm. I mean, who doesn't? These were probably our favorite fruits since childhood. At least for most of us. And the healthiest too. Now that's something new, isn't it? While we have always reveled in the taste, seldom have we considered the incredible benefits of dates. Dates contain vitamins C and D that work on the skin elasticity. The fruits can also help combat skin issues. You can incorporate dates into your diet and see the results in the long run. Dates also come with anti-aging benefits. They prevent the accumulation of melanin in your body, which otherwise has undesirable effects. Now you need to soak it into hot water for 1 hour at least. It will make dates soft and activated. Now you need to blend it in a blender to make a thick paste. We know that hormones play a major role in skin aging and appearance. Date palm kernel extract is known to have phytohormones that exhibit significant anti-aging effects. The extract can combat wrinkles too. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of the water so that it makes a creamy consistency. Take 3 teaspoons of this paste. Dates also contain good amounts of magnesium, a mineral that is important for immune functioning. The vitamin A content of dry dates is helpful to maintain the health of our skin, naturally reduce fine lines and wrinkles from forming with an anti-aging yogurt face mask. The lactic acid in yogurt will help dissolve dead skin and tighten pores. Now add a teaspoon of honey to it. Honey is a great natural anti-aging skin care product. Honey is also a great natural moisturizer for dry and parched skin. Now mix nicely all the ingredients. This is going to be an anti-aging face mask that will make your skin 10 years younger. Now the process is going to be demonstrated on hand. You can similarly do it on your face. First apply the generous amount of the paste on your face. And rub it for 2 minutes. Then apply a layer of this paste on your face. And make it dry for good half an hour. We have already talked about the antioxidative properties of dry dates. These are advantageous for our skin too. As our skin gets rid of free radicals, it becomes firm and toned. In short, Dry dates help us fight against untimely aging and make us youthful. Loaded with vital nutrients, dried dates can nourish our skin and improve its texture. Regular consumption of these fruits can result in smoother and fairer skin. If you like the video, then share it with your friends and let them know the tips for getting the beautiful skin naturally. And don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more tips on natural beauty. Thank you.